Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a football cookie cake. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need half a cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of packed light brown sugar, 3/4 cup of butter softened, which is 1.5 sticks, 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, whatever kind you like, and then we need a tub of chocolate frosting, and then a white decorating gel pen. And that's all you need. Plus you need some kind of big baking dish, and you want to line that with foil. So let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 375. Alright, so next we are going to beat our butter and sugars in a large bowl until it is nice and smooth with an electric mixer. Alright, that looks great. So next I'm going to beat in the egg and vanilla extract until it's nice and combined. Alright, so next in a small bowl I combined my flour, baking soda, and salt. And I just gave that a stir, and now I'm going to slowly add it in to my other ingredients and just do it a little at a time, mixing it in between. Alright, that looks nice and combined. I just used my spatula, scraped down the sides, and made sure everything was incorporated. So next I'm going to fold in my chocolate chips. And I am just going to use my whole 11.5 ounce bag. It should be close to 1.5 cups, maybe more too, but that's okay. Okay, those look nice and mixed in. So basically I'm just going to plop that all onto my prepared pan over here. And I may spray that with cooking spray. Yeah, I think I'm going to. And then we're going to use floured hands and shape it into a football shape. Alright, so that was easier than I thought. I think that looks like a pretty good football. And really the decoration is what's going to really make it look like a football. So next we are going to put that in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 375. Alright, my football cookie is out of the oven and it's cooled off. So I went ahead and took my frosting, removed the lid and the foil, and just put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. I don't want it to be like really runny, but I just want it to be easy to spread. So next I'm going to really design a football shape on here. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next I am going to add my white laces. Alright, my football cookie cake is done. My football might be a little bit weird shaped, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Go Vols! Bye!